This is a song about egg.
Egg called Lucky.
Yes.
Called Lucky. Egg called Lucky.
This is a song about an egg called Lucky. And it's about how many kinds of egg you can get. You can get cocked egg and rare egg and spile egg
And puff egg.
Puff egg. There are many kinds.
Of
And
egg.
brune egg and white egg. And it's very many kinds. So this is a rap about egg.
Are you
I'm
ready?
Yeah.
Play.
Play the song.
Egg. 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 White egg, cocked egg, spile egg, spided egg, tall egg, stewed egg, cocked egg, cocked egg, spile egg.
Pot egg.
Pot egg.
That's egg.
Egg, 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 edderkop egg.
Dyr egg. Lang egg. Edderkop egg.
Flue egg. Dyr egg. Drop egg. Lille egg. Rå egg.
Rå egg.
Kom om kvæd. Nå, det er ikke sang.
Så kom det igen.
Er I klar? Egg. 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 Rød æg, kogt æg, spejl æg, hvid æg, hård æg, grød æg, spis æg, æg og få et land. Fiskemad, 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 spise glad, du får æg til morgenmad. Rød æg, spejl æg, kogt æg,